Hi, my name's Lisa Smith from Macquarie Street Physio. Today what I'm going to show you is a sequence of exercises for your glutes, and what we're going to use today is some resistance provided by bands. You can either use a TheraBand and tie it around, or nowadays you can get hold of these resistance loops, which are a lot easier, but both work just as efficiently. What we're going to do, you need to place the band above your knee, and then lying yourself down, I rest on my hand, on my head, or you can have a pillow. Important you have your feet in line with your bottom, knees stacked one above each other and hips stacked one above each other. Think of drawing your tummy button into spine to activate your core, and think of your pelvic floor, and then placing the top hand just behind your hips to monitor you're not moving them. From that position, you then lift the knee up with your feet together and then down. So this is commonly known as the clam. And down. You can then progress to similar exercise, but this time the foot moves up and down as well. So coming up and down, up and down. And then from there, keeping your legs in line, straighten that top leg, point your toes down towards the ground and lifting up and down, up and down. The more you repeat it, you should be really feeling it through those glutes.